Hello guys, welcome back to my channel UK Travel Nama. Today we are going to Maldevta Waterfall. Maldevta Waterfall is nestled amidst the scenic hills of Dehradun, lies a hidden gem that is a delight for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike, the Maldevta Waterfall. This mesmerizing waterfall is located about 10 kilometers away from the main city and is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. In this vlog, we will take you on a journey to explore the breathtaking Maldevta Waterfall. The Maldevta Waterfall is easily accessible by road and is located just 10 kilometers away from Dehradun. You can either take a taxi or drive your own vehicle to the waterfall. If you are traveling by public transport, you can take a bus or a shared taxi from Dehradun to Maldevta village, which is the nearest point to the waterfall. The journey to the Maldevta waterfall is as enchanting as the waterfall itself. As you make your way through the narrow and winding roads, you will be greeted by lush greenery and scenic views of the hills.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching UK Travel Nama.